Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do your butterfly kick. The butterfly kick is a super easy trick that anybody can learn right away. There's only a few steps in order to get started with your butterfly kick. So the first step is to determine which side is your kicking leg and which side is your lead leg. If you do your cartwheel and you kick up with your right leg, you're going to do your B kick kicking up with your right leg as well. Now that you've determined which leg you kick with, I kick with my right leg, you want to get in a stance that's pretty low but with good balance. And then from here, we're gonna take it really easy. We're gonna dip our chest as low as we can, come over and lift your leg up and come to the other side. One more time, get in a good stance from here, dip your chest and lift your leg up. Do that a couple times until it feels comfortable, and then we're gonna start kicking our other leg up. So one more time, go in your stance, kick this leg up, and now from here, we're gonna jump and kick with the other leg as well. From here, jump and kick over. Keep practicing this motion until it gets very, very comfortable, and then you can get it to go quicker and quicker. A key factor of doing your butterfly kick is using your hands as well. So you don't want to just keep them here, you want to have them available to you to build more momentum in your kick. So from here, swing your chest and your arms down. Now lift that leg up, pull with your arms up, and kick your second leg over. Now putting that all together, you should be at a point where it looks a little bit like this. Try it a couple more times and start trying to bring your body higher up in the air. You do this by kicking harder and harder with your kicking leg. Now that you've gotten comfortable with that, you can start bringing it higher and higher every time you practice it, using a little bit more power in your kicking leg and trying to float up with your leading leg. Bring your chest closer and closer to the floor and also swing your arms up. Once you get comfortable with putting your chest lower to the floor and then popping it up with your leg as well, you can start trying to open up for the wiggle. You can start trying to open your chest for an eagle position. There's a couple different setups you can do. You can either start from this position, you can start from here, step back into that position, or my favorite, from here, step, and then step back into that position. It all depends on how much momentum you need for your kick. Now, assuming you've gotten that down and you're a professional by now, you can start adding it into combos. The simplest one to do is out of a hook kick. Hook your leg around, and boom, look, there you are, set for your B kick. A very, very common issue that beginners have is not dipping their chest low enough. They can do it from here, but they can't get their legs high enough. If you don't dip your chest low enough at the beginning, you can't kick your leg high enough. Your B kick will look a little bit like this if you're not doing it correctly. Another very common issue is not using the arms. Now this applies to all tricks, but we're going to specify on the B kick right now. You need to use your arms to gain momentum and control your balance. If I tuck my arms in like this and I hold them here, I don't have anywhere to swing myself up, so my B kick will look a little bit like this. It's very, very heavy-footed, and let's be honest, it's not very pretty. Now, putting everything together and trying to avoid the mistakes that we know beginners often make, your B kick should look a little bit like this. That is it for today's video. That is everything you need to know in order to get your beginner B kick. I hope this video helped you out. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, leave a like, put a comment down below on how I can improve these tutorials. And I'll see you all in the next video. 자, 우리 끝났어.
예스 예스.